Students, now let us now study the factors that influences weather and climate conditions. We can see what are the weather and climatic conditions influence for the changes of weather and climate. We can see one by one. Okay. First point, position of the sun. First point is position of the sun. During the course of a day, weather conditions keep changing every few hours. In the early morning, the weather conditions is cool, but it begins to get hot by noon. Again in the evening, the weather becomes cool. So dear students, we know already our daily routine. So in that time, during the course of the day, weather conditions keep changing every few hours. Then early morning we know its weather condition is very cool, but it begins to get hot by noon. Afternoon it's getting hot. Then finally again in the evening the weather becomes cool. So this is the position of the sun. Then this differences in temperature depends on the position of the sun in the sky. Then the sun in the main source of heat and light. So dear students, we know in our last chapter also we have discussed about the what are the specialty about sun. So we are getting heat and light from the sun. So sun is the main source of heat and light. Okay. Next point, latitude or distance from the equator. Due to the tilt in the Earth's axis, the vertical rays of the sun fall within the tropics. The vertical rays which spread over a smaller area give more heat. Between the torrid and the freezer zone lies the temperature zone. The climate here is neither too hot nor too cold. We can see the image of sun here. See dear students, this is the position of the sun. See this north pole here, this north pole and south pole, these two poles receives the sunlight, it's slanting rays. See, slanting. That's why this area is very cold area. See, this is the north pole, this is the south pole. See here, sun rays are slanting rays. That's why this area is very cold. Okay. The next, see this direct rays. This is the equator region, Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, like that. So in this area is very hot or torrid zone. Why? Because the sun rays here direct rays. It's earth receives the direct rays from the sun. That's why this area is hot. Okay, understood? Okay. Next point, height above sea level. This is the third point. The height of a place above sea level is another factor that influences the climate. Temperature decreases with increasing height above the sea level. The temperature drops by 1 degree for every 160 meters of height. See dear students, when we are near to the sea, that time temperature is very high. Temperature drops by 1 degree Celsius for every 160 meters of height. Okay, then thus hill stations like Simla, Nainital, Udakamandalam, Ooty and Darjeeling are cooler as they are located at higher as compared to place located at lower level. See, we know already this Simla, Nainital, the Udaka these places are very cold. So here temperature is very less and this area is covered with the full of snow. Then it's located at the height of as compared to place located at the lower level of sea level. Okay.